Hi, welcome to Carl Me When It's Ready. Today we're making brownies, and shh, this is going to be for my daughter's birthday present. And she asked me for this every year. Sorry, I'm having a problem talking. But let's go to the kitchen and let's get this going. Okay, if you hear background noise and everything, it's just Myrtle talking to Rose on the phone. No worries. And Jacob too. Okie dokie.
Alright, love you. Bye.
Yeah!
Tim's upset, I don't know why.
Like I said, yeah! Okay, anywho. Says 8 ounces, and that's by weight, except unfortunately I don't have, I have a scale, except it's not working. I have to get a new battery for it. So we're going to guesstimate and everything by volume. A cup is 8 ounces as well, but weight's a little bit different, so got to go a little bit guesstimation of it and everything. So I need 8 ounces of flour. Cake flour would be better, except this is all I got. Except I can get cake flour and sell it over at Winco in bulk. And we'll just, for good measure. For good measure. Where'd that go? Oh, yeah. Okay, for the rest of this, and there I go again. Oh boy, I'm almost up to like $5 and everything. I have to pay Jerry for saying and everything. Okay, rest of this and everything just gonna speed up and okay, there we go. That looks a little better. I'll speed the rest of this up and to go through the process. For the making of the brownies. Golly, I cannot talk. I'm sorry. So I'll see you in a bit.